Selling online courses is really a golden ticket to build a fruitful business? Hello folks, welcome to my channel Online Money Logics. Today, I will tell you about earning online money by selling online courses. As we all know, we have entered to the world of e-learning. Likewise, in our education sector, we have transformed to the universe of online education. With so many courses offering to teach us anything from cooking to computing, it's understandable why they are so alluring. However, things aren't always that easy in the world of online learning, particularly when considered against various business approaches like counseling or offering certain services. Let's explore the complexities of selling online courses, dispelling myths, and providing perspectives on what comprises a long-term successful company. The fantasy of great fortune. For prospective business owners, the appearance of huge earnings in the realm of online education might be a deceptive allure. Testimonials of people who have created courses and won big sometimes overlook the tremendous work, savvy advertising, and initial investment needed to even get the course off the ground. Nor can we overlook the regular update it requires, including both customer service and content. It is not at all a create-it-and-forget-it business concept, despite the appearance of such. The majority of business owners use online course sales as a secondary revenue stream. The major reasons for this are because creating online courses is simpler, takes less time than creating traditional programs, doesn't require shipment, and offers countless potential for sales. Yes, this isn't real. I found it so amazing and exciting. The growing knowledge economy has led to a rise in demand for online courses. As we know, you guys have heard, knowledge is power. The market is undoubtedly growing internationally, according to research statistics. A major participant in the online education technology sector conducted a survey which revealed that 17.9% of tutors made up to $25,000. In the same period, 39.4% made between $25,000 and $50,000, 14.7% made between $50,000 and $75,000, and 27.9% made more than $10,000. It is reasonable to conclude that the top online academies have profited between $25,000 and $50,000 since their establishment. If you have the necessary abilities and information, you too have the potential to become successful. The goal of this post is to provide you with all the information you need to enter the market well informed. Yeah, you're getting this right. It is interesting to learn a new skill. With the growing knowledge economy, creating and selling an online course is a big opportunity at the moment. The entirety of the e-learning market is expected to reach $319 billion by 2029. In the EU, almost 30% of individuals use digital learning resources or are enrolled in online courses. Three main factors exist that may motivate you to offer an online course and can result in highly lucrative ventures. Monetize your audience. Make money from your audience. As a creator, you wish to provide your audience with a product. Ads, an online store, or subscriptions may already be bringing in money for you. An extra source of income is an online course. E-learning business. If you're reading this, you most likely want to grow your customer base or move your offline business online. How to sell courses. With this instructional video that will assist you boost your online course sales, let's go further into the topic of selling online courses. Choose a topic. Create your course. Build a course sales funnel. After you sell a course, choose a topic. Selecting a course topic shouldn't be difficult at all. There are undoubtedly a number of course options available to you, but you must select one that you possess in-depth knowledge you are passionate about. Meet a market demand. Create your course. Since it's one of the most difficult parts in the process, creating the course's content is where many inexperienced course makers go wrong. Setting deadlines for milestones and having a framework in place can help you create a course quickly. Compose a thorough course outline. This should assist you in structuring the course into modules and adding the material wisely to provide your students an easy learning experience. Getting my point? The course outline will include Name and description of the course, learning goals, each module's learning activities, assignments, and final examinations, optional and supplementary materials, with due dates if appropriate, in-person meetings, if any. Build a course sales funnel. Making a sales funnel is the finest technique there is to market a course. The process of leading an interested client through a set of actions to purchase your product or service is known as a sales funnel. Your course sales page and a method to have customers jump through the hoops you need to go through to convince them are the most crucial components in this process. A course sales funnel also needs a few components, just like a good dish does. Your proposal, the web page, immediately lands lead magnets in order. After you sell a course. When you click out, your task is not yet complete. Offering a course is only the first step. Your course materials and after-sales support must now provide an outstanding learning experience. You got it. Ensuring the satisfaction of your pupils presents several chances for selling more, such as providing more course expensive services, additional coaching services, individualized instruction, additional and customized services. Conclusion. The best part of making your own courses, though, is that not only can you impart your knowledge, but you can also inspire and empower people with your own vision. To share your thoughts on matters related to the sector that might influence future developments. People will find it hard to forget this, as well as your digital signature directly beneath it, and the legacy you leave behind would be far greater than what anybody could have imagined, or, to be honest, what you expected for yourself. In any case, I hope you all liked this video. Give the video a thumbs up, subscribe, and ring the bell icon to stay notified of the latest videos. Thank you for watching.